Hello, friends. Ethics at the top, decisions that define a GM. Welcome to the GM podcast, a space where we talk about leadership beyond titles and targets. I am Tajinder Grover, and today's episode focuses on something that truly defines a general manager ethics at the top. Because numbers can be fixed, reputation cannot. Every GM must face ethical decisions, not once but repeatedly. Some are obvious, many are subtle. Ethical challenges usually appear when pressure is highest, when owners push for shortcuts, when compliance feels inconvenient, when influential guests expect special treatment, when senior staff bend rules quietly. The danger is not one big wrong decision, it's the small compromises made daily. Ignoring safety to save cost, adjusting reports to look better, protecting high performer with bad behavior, allowing favoritism because it's harmless. Each compromises slowly erode trust, and once trust is lost, authority becomes fear based, not respect based. A GM sits between profitability and principles. Doing the right thing may mean saying no to ownership, losing a VIP guest, disciplining a powerful manager, reporting an uncomfortable truth. These decisions are rarely rewarded immediately, but unethical decisions are always paid for later through brand damage, legal risk, or cultural collapse. Top global GMs treat ethics as non negotiable. First, clarity of values. They know where the line is and never blur it. Second, leading by example. What a GM tolerates becomes the culture. Third, transparent decision making. They explain the why even when it is uncomfortable. Fourth, protecting whistleblowers and truth tellers. A culture of silence is a sign of ethical failure. They understand one truth your team watches what you do, not what you say. If you are a GM, remember ethics define leadership more than results. Small compromises create big failures. Authority without integrity is temporary. Culture follows the GM's behavior. Hotels don't fail because of bad systems, they fail because of bad decisions at the top. The GM's legacy is not the year end report, it is the standards upheld under pressure. Choose integrity when no one is watching because everyone eventually notices. This is Tajinder Grover, and you have been listening to GM Podcast. Thank you for leading with integrity and for protecting what truly defines leadership. Goodbye, friends.